Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. Can you able to hear me? Yashman, can you hear me? Yes? Okay. Srikar, can you hear me? Yeah, okay. What about others? Just unmute your videos. Yes, Ananya. Hello. What about others? Still few more people has to join. People has to join. 10 members are present right now. Let us see for one more minute. Have you all done yesterday's homework? It's regarding nearest tens and hundreds, right, children? Yeah, fine. Today we are going to start a new topic. Okay, just get ready with your notebooks and pencils. 13 members are joined. Okay, good morning, all of you. Today, let us start our topic Roman numerals. What is that, children? Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Numeral means what? What do you mean by a numeral? Numeral. Numeral means a symbol used to represent numbers. Got it? What is meant by numeral? A symbol used. Don't write anything, children. I'm explaining here. I'll tell you when to write. Okay? A symbol used to represent numbers. Presently, what are the numerals we are using here right now? Like the numbers we are going to use are, we are using are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Still infinite numbers will be there. What is this symbol called? Infinity. Means what? So many numbers, countless numbers, uncountable numbers are there. So many numbers are there, right? All these comes under what? Hindu Arabic numerals. What are these actually which we are using? Are Hindu Arabic numerals. These are called what? Hindu Arabic numerals. But Romans, in the ancient days, Romans used some other symbols to represent numbers. Okay, what are those? Romans used to use some other numbers, some other symbols to represent the numbers. Like we are using the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like that way till infinity, right? But they used to use some other symbols. They used to depend on the alphabet letters. In alphabet, some letters they used and they represented the numbers by using those letters. What are those? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. How many are there? 1, 2. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. 7 letters are there, right? These are the basic symbols to represent the numbers in Roman form. Okay, these are the basic letters. See children, actually what are Roman numbers? Where we are going to use these Roman numbers? See, I'm going to show you here. Can you see the screen? Yeah, okay. See, you can see a clock here, right? You can see a clock here. On this clock, generally we used to use numbers, right? But here are the Roman numerals. Got it? Just look over the clock. I will explain you how these Roman numbers are going to be used. Okay? See, generally how to represent time. On some of the clocks we use some Roman number, and some of the clocks we use the numbers, right? But the time is same for both the clocks. Okay. And here, in some of the industries or some of the factories or some institutions, they used to write the numbers in the Roman form. It is given like M D C C L X X X I I, right? You people don't know what it is. Why? Because you people don't know the values of those numbers, of those letters, right? So let us know the values of certain letters which are used as a basic symbols in Roman system. Okay, generally for this kind of purposes we used to use Roman numerals, but let us know the values of those letters so that you can even identify a large number of letters formed in the Roman system, the values of those. Okay. So let us know the values of these letters. They used to use these 7 letters as the basic symbols to represent the numbers. What is the value of this I in our Hindu Arabic number system, numeral system? It's 1. The value of I in Roman system is what? 1. The value of V, when we convert this value of V into our Hindu Arabic form, it is 5 and it is 10. The value of X is how much? 10. The value of L is how much? 50. The value of C is how much? 100. And I'm going to write these two letters right side. The value of D is how much? 500. And the value of M is how much? It's 1000. By just depending on these values, Romans used to write so many numbers, so many values, infinite number of values they have written by using only, by depending only on these 7 letters. What are those basic 7 letters in the Roman form? They are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Got it, children? The values of these are what? I value is 1. V value is 5. X value is 10. L value is 50. C value is 100. D value is 500. And M value is 1000. Let us take some notes part. After that, I'll be explaining you how to attempt, how to apply these values into our Hindu Arabic numeral system. Got it? Let us take down some notes first. Take down all of you in a fresh page very neatly. Mirza, do you have any doubt? You have raised your hand. Kavish, do you have any doubt?
Ma'am, I cannot see your screen, ma'am. Only it's showing the black screen.
Black screen you can see, Nana. Wait a minute. I'll adjust myself.
Hand better. और अगर हैंड रेज
Can you see the screen now? Kavish? Can you able to see the screen now? Whiteboard? Yes, Kavish? Hello? Now can you
Yes,
see?
ma'am. I can see.
Okay. Mirza, any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mirza?
Ma'am, what you're telling is I'm not understanding, ma'am. Telugu, Arabic, ma'am.
Arabic?
No, ma'am. No, actually, we wrote about fire. What will call ABCD, no, ma'am. S,
What, Nana?
ma'am, we wrote this, no, ma'am. I'll show you, ma'am.
Wait a minute. I'll just open your screen. I cannot see you right now. Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Mirza.
Ma'am, this like we wrote, no, ma'am.
I'm searching you. Wait, Nana. Yes, yes. Don't write that. I didn't say you to write that. The part which I have started this, no, you people have to take the. At that time, I have not given any date or anything, right? You have to start. Let it be now. Just strike it off and start in a fresh page. This part which is now presently you can see on the screen, that one you have to write, not these values. These values I am going to tell you again as further part for this one, present one. Mirza, got it? You unmute yourself. I cannot unmute you here. Mirza, I cannot unmute you here. Once unmute yourself. I think you can't hear me.
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
Yeah, what I said is what all you have written. I did not say you to write that in your notebook. Just the present thing which you can see on the screen now. That thing you have to write.
Yes, ma'am.
Take a fresh page and start writing this one. Put today's date and start writing. I'll be telling you that part later. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Introduction of Roman numerals. Numeral is a symbol used to write a number. The numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until infinity that we use today are called Hindu-Arabic numerals. What all the numbers we are using right now are called what? Hindu-Arabic numerals. Try to prepare for tomorrow's exam also, children. Graded assessment test which has been conducted for 10 marks. Other than this Roman numeral system part, what all we have learned till yesterday, till rounding of numbers, you people have to prepare. Next line. Values, let us write by drawing a tabular form. You can use next 2 lines to draw the boxes. Like these 2 lines you can use to draw the boxes and make 7 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Roman numerals starts from I onwards. V, X, L, C, D, M. Actually, remember one more thing also. Romans does not use 0. In this system, we never find anywhere, we cannot find 0 here. They did not use 0 at all. Okay. The value of I is how much? 1. The value of V is how much? 5. The value of X is 10. The value of L is 50. The value of C is 100. The value of D is 500. The value of M is 1000. Take down. It's not that compulsory to write these words which I have written just now. Simply for your understanding sake, I am giving here. The upper row are of Roman numbers, Roman numerals. We are converting those Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic numerals. The values of those are I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M is 1000. You people have to practice these values, children, as well as you have to prepare for tomorrow's exam also. I'm not going to give you any kind of homework. I'll just send you this classwork pics only again. If anybody are unable to write down the notes classwork part now, they will take down the notes. For others, no need. Those have taken right now, no need of writing the notes again. I'll be just sending the pics through MCB. I'm not going to give any kind of homework. Just prepare for tomorrow's exam. Other than these Roman numerals, everything what all been taught, the topic, all the topics will be going to cover for tomorrow's exam. Only one little statement I have to give you. After that, I'm going to end this session as I have to attend to the next class. Shall I move? Shall I go to next page? Next line, you can continue if you have space in that particular page. Romans never used zero. Okay. Other rules, the further rules and regulations, let us discuss about the Roman numerals on Monday. Okay, children, prepare for tomorrow's exam. Bye, children. Have a nice day.